Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Goan chicken charcuterie, marinated meat cooked in an onion and spice masala with gently toasted aromatic ground coconut. As always, a full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video, and click that notification bell. Thanks. Let's start by marinating the meat. Here I have 500 grams of diced chicken breasts, so let's add in 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Massage in well, cover, and allow to marinate for 30 to 60 minutes. Now gently dry fry 1 cup of desiccated coconut on a low heat until light and brown and fragrant, then remove from the heat and set aside to cool. Take your time on this, you don't want to end up with burnt coconut. Still on a low heat, add 3 tablespoons of coconut or vegetable oil to a pan, then around 6 curry leaves, 2-inch piece of cinnamon bark, a blade of mace. If you don't have mace, use 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, 1 star anise and 2 cloves. Fry gently for a few minutes to release the aromas until bubbles start to form around the spices. Add in 6 chopped dried Kashmiri chilies, around 4 chopped green chilies, and 1 medium finely chopped onion. Continue to fry until they turn golden, stirring occasionally. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Mix well to combine and allow to fry until the oil separates, which normally takes around 2 minutes. As always, it's fine to add a little water at any time to keep things moving. Turn up the heat to medium and add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, watered down with around 50 milliliters of water. Mix in and allow to fry for 30 seconds. Add the marinated protein, combine well, and allow to cook through for a couple of minutes. Now turn up the heat to medium-high and add 200 milliliters of boiling water, the browned desiccated coconut, and that's around 400 milliliters of coconut milk. Combine well and allow to reduce until the meat is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. There's quite a lot of liquid, so this took around 10 minutes for me. Stir well to combine and serve decorated with some fresh chopped coriander and sliced red chilies. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website, thecurrykid.co.uk.